Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching this video from. Right now, guys, I'm in Kalulushi and I'm in this area which is called Luapula Ward. This is this area is nearby Kalulushi town center. Let me just say, you cannot even book a taxi or you cannot even um, get a bus. You just need to walk. So this area is so good, and it's one of the residential area which is called here the Luapula Ward. So I hope, guys, you enjoyed the video that we uploaded yesterday, and we were talking about um, the Kalulushi town center, and this is Kalulushi Luapula Ward. So you can see this is the area here in Kalulushi where you have these kinds of areas. So it's so beautiful. And most of the Zambian towns, or most of the Zambian residential areas, they are not different. They are just the same thing. They are common. That's what I can say. They are common. There is a lot of things that you're going to see in common. You can see, you're going to find that this area, they've got houses which has got the same design. You're going to find that this area, they've got this house, different kinds of houses, and the houses that you're going to find, they're different, and which means those are the house maybe somebody built on his own. But a lot of areas here in Zambia or here in the Copper Belt, because of the mines and the companies, they always buy, or yes, buy for those people or build for the people. So, guys, this is Luapula Ward. This is the Luapula Ward. So this is the area here in Kalulushi which is called the Luapula Ward. One of the beautiful area. One of the residential area here in Kalulushi. This is Luapula Ward. So guys, this is Luapula ward. Like I told you in this video, I'm in Kalulushi. This is where I'm doing my videos, and I'm showcasing the Zambia that you don't know here in Kalulushi. You can see this is the area, one of the quiet area and a beautiful area indeed. And why it's so quiet, it is because the town center or the area is not overpopulated. Like I told you, this area was known for the people who are working for the mines. Now, as they started, the area started growing, and then these houses came to be. So it is one of the beautiful thing to see Zambia that is growing, and it is improving. Also, in terms of the houses, you can see some houses they they were old houses. They were built by companies, or yes, by mines and some uh, other companies. So now what has come to be is that, or what has come to happen is that they've started doing what, building their own, renovating those same houses which they were given by companies, which they were given by 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 mines, you see. So this is a beautiful area here in Zambia, and this area is called Luapula ward. So guys, do me a favor, like this video guys, share this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel. So guys, this is a police station here, and there's a woman there explaining what really happened to her with her friends. So she's insulting there. So guys, this is the police station. Built Environment Built Environment Project Kalulushi Environment Public Information Center. Guys, this is the area here in Kalulushi, Luapula ward. So this is one of the quiet and beautiful area here in Kalulushi. And one thing that I'm loving this area is because of the quietness. The quietness, it's unbelievable. And it's because, some of the areas that we have in Dola, like Chifubu, Kawama, Chipulukusu, Masala, and Mushiri. These are overpopulated areas than the town of Kalulushi. So you've heard, or you can just feel the presence of this area. It's so quiet. You see, it's so quiet. The people are not scattered. The people are not congested. So this area is one of the beautiful area here in Zambia. And Luapula ward is not far from town, like I told you. It's not far from town. You don't need to book a taxi or to book a car for you to go to your place. Luapula ward is just next to Kalulushi town center. And you've seen the town center. Some of you might be surprised to see, is this the town center, or what are you talking about? Oh, this is just a market. What you saw yesterday in that video, in that Kalulush Town Center, that is Kalulush Town Center. And those are the activities that are found there at Kalulush Town Centers. They are businesses, they are different businesses. But most of the people there, most of the goods, they don't order them within. Some of them, they order their goods from Kitwe, and then they bring them here for sale. So I think that's the part where I can say it needs to improve. You see, this is an area which is under improvement. This is an area which is under improvement. And Kalulushi area, or Kalulushi town, it's a town which is full of minerals like copper. You see, so that's why this town came to be, because of the minerals which are here, and the companies, the mines that were there in that time, the companies that they didn't close. There is even a Kalulush mine here. Kalulush mine is here, and a lot of things. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. May God bless you, and may God touch whatsoever that you are doing. It's not easy just to come on a channel to watch. Some of the people, they might say it's boring. Some of the people might say you don't have good content. Some of the people can say a lot of things, but you've managed to reach at this far end. Please, thank you so much. I'm on my knees saying thank you. I'm here to showcase the Zambia that you don't know, the Kalulush that you don't know, and the places that you don't know. So this time we are in Kalulushi, and we are vlogging in this area called Kalulushi Town Center.